Are we on the verge of uncovering astonishing secrets about the sun and encountering extraterrestrial life? Recent incidents surrounding the sun, including mysterious cubes, UFO sightings, and the FBI's unexplained shutdown of a solar observatory, have left many questioning what lies beyond our knowledge. With claims of potential cover-ups, theories of alien energy harvesting, and enigmatic sightings captured on NASA's cameras, the sun's secrets may be hiding in plain sight. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our star, we can't help but wonder, are these mere coincidences or signs of a profound cosmic revelation? What do you think? Welcome to Revel Discovery, your portal to a world of fascinating discoveries and awe-inspiring insights that will expand your understanding of the universe and beyond. We're currently living in a remarkable era of astronomy. The advancements in technology have allowed us to capture incredibly detailed images of planets, stars, moons, and even exoplanets. Although it's challenging to capture images of our own star, the Sun, due to its intensive brightness resulting from nuclear fusion, scientists have managed to take the closest and most detailed pictures of it in the past decade. Alongside spacecraft closely monitoring the Sun, ground-based observatories also keep a watchful eye on this celestial golden globe. When something is under such intense scrutiny, it becomes nearly impossible to overlook any unusual occurrences. But what if something extraordinary happens that could cause chaos if it were made public? What happens then? Although this may sound like the stuff of science fiction, in today's video we'll be showcasing some peculiar sightings near the Sun, including a UFO incident that caused NASA to halt its live stream and the unexpected shutdown of a solar observatory by the FBI. Let's dive into the story. Allegedly, NASA's live sun camera crashed after a mysterious black cube appeared on the screen. This ominous object was spotted in the bottom right corner of the Sun for about 2 seconds before the live stream abruptly ended. The available footage on Soho's official website reveals the emergence of a mysterious black cube from the Sun, followed immediately by a large glitch that covered a quarter of the screen. And then it disappeared, just like that. Now, some have speculated, and others are completely convinced, that the space agency attempted to conceal something unusual witnessed during the incident by attributing it to technical glitches. However, to those familiar with the subject, this appears to be a solar flare, an incredibly massive one that could potentially engulf the Earth. What's intriguing is the rectangular shape that appears just before the solar flare is observed and the live stream terminates. Was that a glitch? Or did we catch a glimpse of something we weren't supposed to see? This isn't the first time the live feed has been abruptly cut off when something strange occurs. The International Space Station also provides a live streaming video feed, allowing space enthusiasts to observe Earth and outer space through cameras installed on the orbiting structure. On multiple occasions, unidentified objects have been spotted, with UFO enthusiasts claiming them to be alien visitors. In most cases, these visitors turn out to be more mundane, such as space debris. Nevertheless, NASA has cut the live video feed on a few odd occasions, especially when a peculiar object enters the camera's view within seconds before the feed is interrupted. This has fueled suspicion among UFO hunters and enthusiasts, leaving many to wonder if there are cover-ups at play. Now let's shift our attention to an incident near Roswell, New Mexico, where flying objects were sighted in 1947, sparking theories of possible aliens or UFOs. Above the trees of the crest of the Sacramento Mountains, a tiny white object can be seen. This is the Dawn Solar Telescope of the Sunspot Solar Observatory, a facility dedicated to studying the Sun. Let's rewind to September 6, 2018, when FBI agents embarked on a secret mission aboard Black Hawk helicopters, soaring over the Lincoln Forest Mountains in New Mexico. Their destination? The Sunspot Solar Observatory, utilized by NASA for solar observation. As soon as they arrived, they swiftly moved in and shut down the observatory. The employees and even local authorities were kept in the dark, with no information provided regarding the situation. The evacuees were simply asked to leave, and the observatory remained under lockdown for 11 days. The employees were silenced and required to sign confidentiality agreements. Following the investigation, the FBI released a statement stating that they were looking into one of the facility's janitors regarding possession and distribution of something. The janitor was reportedly fired but not arrested or charged with any crime. However, many still believe that the janitor story is merely a cover-up. This raises questions. Did the observatory witness something it shouldn't have? Or did the shutdown occur to prevent the observatory from observing something during that period? Some speculated that NASA might have observed the sun shrinking, signaling the beginning of its end before turning into a red giant, devouring the Earth and eventually going supernova. However, subsequent observations from other observatories over the years have shown that our sun is perfectly fine. So what could be the real reason behind the observatory's shutdown? It's perplexing that the FBI had enough information to initiate the operation and keep the facility closed for 11 days, yet no arrests were made. The majority of people believe this was an extensive cover-up for something much larger. Moving on, let's explore the idea of aliens harnessing energy from the sun. UFO hunters claim to have found evidence of a process called star lifting in NASA images. Star lifting refers to any method by which civilizations could extract material from a star and utilize it for their own purposes. Back in 1960, an American mathematical physicist named Freeman Dyson proposed the concept of a structure created by advanced alien civilizations that completely envelopes a star, harnessing a significant portion of its solar power output. Although our own civilization is far from achieving such technological prowess, it's possible that the species have mastered this advanced technology. Hence, some UFO enthusiasts believe that alien spacecraft could be surrounding the sun to harvest its solar energy. An image surfaced showing an unidentified white dot connected to the sun by a distinct line, leading to claims of a massive UFO feeding off solar energy. Although skeptics initially questioned the image's authenticity, they were eventually convinced that it might indeed depict some form of alien activity. The contrasting color and shape of the UFO compared to the rest of the connected line raised doubts among people. Time and again, we have come across peculiar sightings near the sun. NASA has often explained these phenomena as natural occurrences like solar flares, plasma discharges, or comets. However, there's still much we don't know about the sun. As a species that has yet to fully understand our star and harness its complete energy potential, it's important to continue exploring and asking the fundamental question: are we alone in the universe? In the vast expanse of the universe, our understanding of the sun and its surrounding phenomena is continuously evolving. While some sightings and incidents may fuel speculation about cover-ups or extraterrestrial encounters, it is crucial to approach them with a critical mindset. NASA and other scientific institutions diligently study the sun, offering plausible explanations for various phenomena observed. As we continue our exploration of space and the celestial bodies within it, the quest to unravel the mysteries of the sun and the possibility of life beyond Earth will persist. Whether we are alone in the universe or surrounded by cosmic wonders, the journey of discovery is bound to ignite our curiosity and expand our understanding of the cosmos. As we ponder the mysteries of the sun and the potential existence of extraterrestrial life, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe there could be hidden secrets surrounding the sun? And what are your views on the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth? Engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell for regular updates. Keep watching, stay inspired, and get ready for more exciting discoveries. See you in our next episode.